What if I told you that your skin, the very surface that tells the story of your life, has the ability to renew itself, even in your 9th decade of life? We've been taught to see aging as a one-way street, a slow, inevitable fading. Wrinkles deepen, elasticity fades, radiance diminishes. But what if that narrative is incomplete? What if beneath the surface, your body is still actively working to repair, restore, and even rejuvenate itself, especially while you sleep? Tonight, I want to take you into a different understanding of aging, not as a process of loss, but as a dynamic biological conversation, a conversation between your genes, your environment, and something remarkably powerful, a vitamin that operates quietly in the background, orchestrating repair when the world goes dark. Because here's the truth. Your skin is not just a passive shield. It is a living, intelligent organ. It is constantly sensing, adapting, and rebuilding. And emerging research in longevity science from institutions like Harvard Medical School and the National Institutes of Health reveals that certain nutrients can activate deeply embedded repair pathways, even later in life. So the real question becomes, are we giving our body the signals it needs to regenerate? Hey everyone, and welcome back. If you are passionate about natural health and evidence-based wellness, you found your tribe. Do not forget to hit that like button if this content resonates with you, and subscribe so you never miss our deep dives into natural health solutions. We would love to know where our amazing community spans. Drop your city or country in the comments below. Now let us discover why this nighttime vitamin might be the skin rejuvenating secret you never knew your body already understands. Let me offer you a simple image. Imagine your skin as a city. During the day, it is under constant assault, ultraviolet radiation, pollution, oxidative stress. But at night, something extraordinary happens. The lights dim, traffic slows, and a specialized repair crew gets to work. Damaged proteins are cleared, DNA is repaired, collagen is rebuilt, and one key molecule of vitamin acts like the foreman of this overnight repair crew. This is not about quick fixes or cosmetic illusions. This is about understanding biology at its deepest level. Because when we understand the mechanisms, we gain agency. We begin to see that vitality is not reserved for the young. It is available to those who know how to activate it. So tonight we explore, what is this vitamin? How does it work? And most importantly, how can we align with our biology to allow our skin and perhaps our entire body to age differently? Let's begin. 1. The night repair switch. While we sleep, our body doesn't just rest. It repairs. During the night, a specific set of biological programs is activated, ones that repair tissues, rejuvenate organs, and yes, restore our skin. Recent research has shown that the circadian rhythm doesn't just control when we sleep, but how our body repairs and regenerates itself. This process is mediated by specific hormones, enzymes, and proteins that get switched on after dark. One of the most important of these is a protein called sirtuin-1, which is involved in DNA repair and cellular longevity. Now, here's where the vitamin comes into play. It enhances the function of this night repair system. Think of it as a key that turns the repair switch to its highest setting. In one fascinating study published in Cell Metabolism in 2017, scientists demonstrated that our cells, particularly skin cells, follow a strict circadian schedule for repair. When these cells were given supplemental nutrients, including the vitamin we're discussing, their repair mechanisms ramped up during sleep, resulting in faster and more efficient rejuvenation of the skin. The vitamin, in essence, helps the body synchronize its biological clocks, so the repair processes happen with optimal efficiency. What does this mean for you? When you optimize your circadian rhythm and give your body the nutrients it needs, you activate an almost overnight healing process. Your skin becomes a canvas that can renew itself each day. Not just when you're young, but well into your 80s and beyond. But here's an important question. How many of us are truly allowing our body to work at night? Are we disrupting our circadian rhythm with late night screen time, irregular sleep patterns, or exposure to artificial light? This insight is about more than just taking a vitamin. It's about respecting the rhythms of your body. So how can you align with your body's natural repair cycles? Tip: begin by adopting a more consistent sleep schedule. Dim the lights as the evening sets in. Limit screen exposure at least an hour before bed. This will not only help your circadian rhythm, but amplify the benefits of any nighttime repair strategies you adopt. But remember, even if your sleep is not perfect, this vitamin will still be working with your biology to optimize the repair process while you sleep. 2. Collagen as living architecture. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body. It acts as the main structural component of your skin, responsible for its strength, elasticity, and smoothness. But here's the problem. Collagen production declines naturally as we age. By the time we hit our 30s, we start losing about 1% of our collagen every year. This loss accelerates in our 40s and 50s, leading to visible signs of aging like wrinkles, sagging, and thinner skin. What if I told you that one specific vitamin could not only slow down the breakdown of collagen, but actively help your body rebuild it even in older age? That's exactly what recent studies have shown. This vitamin, often linked to immune health and inflammation control, plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis. It is involved in the activation of key enzymes that assist in the production of procollagen, the precursor to mature collagen. These enzymes act as the blueprint makers, guiding your skin cells to build more collagen. For example, a groundbreaking 2016 study published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that individuals who received higher levels of this vitamin showed significantly more collagen production and less degradation over time. These subjects demonstrated improved skin elasticity and a reduction in fine lines. It's as though this vitamin acts as a collagen architect, helping your skin restore the structural integrity it once had in youth. But there's another key role this vitamin plays in collagen maintenance, protecting it from oxidative stress. As we mentioned earlier, free radicals, the byproducts of pollution, UV radiation, and metabolic processes, attack collagen, leading to its breakdown. By neutralizing these free radicals, the vitamin protects the collagen you have, ensuring it doesn't degrade prematurely. Imagine a team of workers reinforcing the steel beams of a building while also ensuring the exterior isn't eroded by external forces. This dual action of production and protection is what makes the vitamin so powerful. So how can we leverage this? Tip: focus on foods rich in this vitamin, especially those that also provide antioxidants like citrus fruits, bell peppers, and leafy greens. A diet rich in this nutrient doesn't just support collagen production, it keeps the structures that support your skin intact. We've just uncovered the first two keys to rejuvenating your skin while you sleep: optimizing your circadian rhythm for natural repair and ensuring your skin's structural integrity through enhanced collagen production. 3. Oxidative stress and the antioxidant defense network. We're all familiar with the concept of sunlight aging our skin, but have you ever stopped to think about the invisible stressors, the free radicals and oxidative damage that accumulate even when we're indoors, simply from breathing, eating, or moving? This unseen damage is constantly at work, breaking down cells, accelerating aging, and speeding up the process of skin deterioration. Oxidative stress is one of the key drivers of aging. When free radicals, unstable molecules, encounter healthy cells in your body, they cause a chain reaction of damage, attacking everything from DNA to proteins and fats. In the skin, this means the breakdown of collagen, the deterioration of elastin, the protein that gives skin its bounce, and increased vulnerability to wrinkles, dryness, and sagging. What if we could stop the damage before it starts, or at least slow it down significantly? This is where the vitamin we're focusing on comes into play. This particular vitamin is a potent antioxidant. Antioxidants, as we know, neutralize free radicals and prevent them from causing harm. When we apply the concept of antioxidants to skin health, we're essentially talking about a natural defense system that protects the integrity of our skin from the inside out. Let me give you an analogy to help explain this. Imagine your skin as a battlefield. On one side, you have the free radicals, attacking and causing chaos. On the other side, you have the antioxidants, like highly trained soldiers, disarming the free radicals before they can do any real damage. The stronger your antioxidant defense, the fewer cracks in the armor of your skin. Recent studies, like one published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, show that this vitamin's antioxidant properties help mitigate oxidative stress in skin cells, particularly those exposed to UV radiation. For example, in a 2020 study, participants who took this vitamin daily showed a marked reduction in signs of oxidative stress on their skin. In other words, they had less damage from the sun, less visible aging, and even improved skin texture. But the story doesn't stop at just neutralizing free radicals. This vitamin works hand in hand with your body's internal antioxidant defense system, enhancing the activity of other antioxidant enzymes like glutathione and superoxide dismutase, two of the body's most powerful protectors against oxidative stress. So by adding this vitamin into your routine, you're essentially strengthening the natural defense network your body already has, making your skin more resilient, youthful, and able to withstand environmental stressors more effectively. Now here's a question for you. When was the last time you thought about what's happening to your skin at a molecular level? We often focus on external skincare products or what we can see in the mirror, but the real work is happening beneath the surface. This vitamin works its magic at that invisible cellular level, protecting and repairing skin even while you sleep. Actionable tip: to enhance your skin's antioxidant protection, consider incorporating foods high in both this vitamin and other antioxidants into your diet, such as citrus fruits, berries, nuts, and dark leafy greens. Additionally, regular exercise, which naturally boosts the body's antioxidant enzymes, can amplify this effect, offering protection from the inside out. 4. Cellular energy and skin vitality. If I asked you to picture a skin cell, what comes to mind? You might think of the outer layer, the visible surface that you can see and touch. But deep inside each cell, far beyond what our eyes can capture, there's a small yet powerful component driving much of your skin's vitality, the mitochondrion. Mitochondria are the energy factories of our cells. They take the food we consume and convert it into the energy our cells need to perform every vital function, whether that's muscle contraction, immune response, or the repair and regeneration of tissues like skin. When we talk about skin rejuvenation, we're not just talking about external factors like hydration or collagen levels, we're talking about fuel. Your skin cells need energy to repair damage, regenerate, and maintain their structure. Without sufficient energy, your skin cells become sluggish, less efficient, and less capable of repairing themselves. This is one of the reasons why aging skin tends to appear duller and less vibrant as mitochondrial function diminishes. So does your skin's ability to regenerate. So where does this vitamin fit in? This particular vitamin has been shown to play a direct role in supporting mitochondrial function, particularly in cells that are under stress, like skin cells. Research suggests that it enhances mitochondrial efficiency, helping your cells generate more energy from less input. In other words, it optimizes how mitochondria work, making the energy production process more effective and boosting the overall vitality of your skin. But there's more. Mitochondria are not only responsible for energy production, they are also involved in managing cellular stress. When mitochondria become damaged or dysfunctional, which is common with age and environmental stress, they can contribute to inflammation and accelerate the aging process. This vitamin is known to help mitochondria repair themselves and even stimulate the production of new mitochondria in skin cells, a process known as mitochondrial biogenesis. This means more power for your cells, more energy to fuel repair processes, and ultimately, healthier, more vibrant skin. To tie this together, think of it like this. Imagine a factory with a worn-out energy grid. The production lines are slow, workers are tired, and productivity drops. But then, a new energy system is installed, one that's more efficient and reliable. Suddenly, everything runs faster, smoother, and more effectively. In the same way, this vitamin enhances the energy production in your skin cells, giving them the fuel they need to repair and regenerate more effectively. What does this mean for you? It means that even as you age, you can boost the efficiency of your skin's repair systems, helping your skin stay healthier, more resilient, and capable of rejuvenating itself. Actionable tip: to support your mitochondria and boost your skin's energy production, focus on incorporating more mitochondrial boosting foods into your diet. These include things like leafy greens, rich in magnesium, berries, high in antioxidants, and omega-3 rich foods like fatty fish. And don't forget, physical activity is one of the most potent ways to stimulate mitochondrial biogenesis, so keeping an active lifestyle is crucial. 5. Gene expression and longevity pathways. When we think about aging, many of us imagine it as something inevitable, a gradual decline over time. But what if I told you that aging is not just a biological clock ticking away? What if we could reprogram the cellular processes that drive aging and instead activate those that promote regeneration, repair, and vitality? At the core of aging, at the very heart of how our bodies age, are genes. We each have a genetic blueprint that dictates how our cells behave when they repair, when they age, and when they break down. As we age, the expression of certain genes shifts, leading to the gradual accumulation of cellular damage, loss of function, and visible signs of aging. But here's the exciting part. We can influence gene expression, and this vitamin plays a powerful role in this process. One of the key mechanisms through which this vitamin operates is by influencing the expression of certain longevity genes. In particular, this vitamin enhances the activity of genes that are involved in DNA repair, anti-inflammation, and cellular survival. These genes essentially help your cells resist the damaging effects of stress, repair damage more effectively, and, over time, slow the aging process. In 2018, researchers at the University of California, Berkeley discovered that this vitamin was able to activate a pathway that promotes the expression of sirtuins, a family of proteins involved in regulating aging and longevity. Sirtuins are often referred to as longevity genes because they help to preserve the health of cells, protect them from damage, and even activate repair mechanisms when things go wrong. Think of this as a light switch in your cells. Normally, as we age, these longevity pathways dim and fade. But when this vitamin is present, it flips that switch back on, giving your cells access to the repair systems that help them function at their peak for longer. This is why people who maintain higher levels of this vitamin in their system tend to have not just healthier skin, but more youthful gene expression in general. Their cells behave like younger cells, activating regeneration instead of degeneration. So what does this mean for skin health? As we age, skin cells become less efficient at repairing themselves. They start to accumulate DNA damage, which leads to wrinkles, pigmentation, and thinning. But by promoting the expression of DNA repair genes, this vitamin improves the ability of skin cells to recover from the damage they've sustained and accelerates the processes of skin renewal. It's like pressing the reset button on your skin's biology. Actionable tip. To support gene expression for longevity, consider incorporating lifestyle factors that activate these pathways. Intermittent fasting, for example, has been shown to increase sirtuin activity. Likewise, managing stress, getting regular physical activity, and eating a balanced diet rich in this vitamin can all support your body's ability to regulate gene expression and enhance its natural repair mechanisms. As we wrap up this section on gene expression, I want you to reflect on the profound potential here. By nourishing your body with the right nutrients, and particularly with this vitamin, you're not just applying a temporary fix to the surface of your skin. You're reprogramming your cells to work in harmony with the biology of youth. You're turning back the clock on your cells' ability to repair, renew, and thrive. Now that we've covered how this vitamin boosts repair at the cellular level, we'll shift gears to explore how it plays a vital role in skin barrier health. 6. Skin barrier. Intelligence. Imagine your skin as a fortress, its outer layer, a barrier designed to protect you from the harsh outside world. It shields you from environmental threats like pollution, bacteria, and UV rays, while also preventing dehydration by locking in moisture. In this sense, your skin is more than just a protective shield. It's an intelligent system that constantly adjusts to its environment, responding to challenges and repairs itself when needed. But as we age, this barrier begins to weaken. The skin becomes more susceptible to moisture loss, leading to dryness, irritation, and fine lines. Additionally, environmental stressors like pollution and UV radiation can cause inflammation and even compromise the skin's immune function. This breakdown is a key contributor to aging skin. This is where the vitamin we've been discussing plays a critical role. It helps strengthen and repair the skin barrier, making it more resilient to external damage and better at maintaining hydration. How does it work? Let's break it down. At the core of skin barrier function are lipids, fatty molecules that form a protective layer in the outermost skin cells known as the stratum corneum. This lipid barrier keeps moisture in and harmful agents out. Over time, as we age, the production of these lipids declines, which contributes to dry, cracked, and sensitive skin. One of the most profound effects of this vitamin is its ability to support lipid production. Research has shown that it directly enhances the synthesis of ceramides, key lipids that form the skin's outermost barrier. In one study published in the Journal of Investigative Dermatology, researchers found that subjects who supplemented with this vitamin had higher levels of ceramides and showed improved skin hydration and barrier function. But the benefits don't stop there. This vitamin also plays a pivotal role in modulating skin inflammation, which can damage the skin's integrity over time. Chronic inflammation is a hallmark of aging skin, leading to breakdowns in the skin's barrier and accelerated signs of aging like wrinkles and sagging. By regulating inflammatory pathways, this vitamin helps to restore the skin's ability to heal and protect itself. The most fascinating part? At night, when your skin enters repair mode, this vitamin helps speed up the barrier restoration process, accelerating recovery from the day's environmental assaults. It's like the vitamin acts as a nighttime guardian, ensuring that the skin's defenses are fully restored by morning. Think about it like this. After a storm, the damage done to your skin's fortress may leave cracks in the walls. The vitamin helps patch those cracks, reinforce the walls, and reinforce the integrity of the entire system, ensuring that the skin is ready to face another day of challenges. What does this mean for you? If you want to keep your skin hydrated, resilient, and less prone to irritation and damage, this vitamin is a powerful ally. By supporting the skin's barrier, it helps maintain a healthy moisture balance, preventing dryness and protecting the skin from pollutants and other harmful factors. Actionable tip: to keep your skin barrier strong, pair your vitamin intake with a moisturizing routine that incorporates barrier repairing ingredients like ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and fatty acids. Also, make sure to protect your skin from environmental stressors by wearing sunscreen daily, especially since UV damage can directly impair the skin's barrier function. So what have we learned tonight? Through understanding the intricate biological systems at play, we see that aging, especially when it comes to the skin, is not a fixed destination. It is a dynamic process, one that can be influenced, guided, and even reprogrammed. We are not powerless in the face of time. Rather, we have the tools to work in tandem with our biology, giving our skin and our entire body the best possible chance for rejuvenation and vitality. We've explored how this remarkable vitamin enhances circadian rhythms, allowing for natural repair and regeneration while we sleep. We've seen how it boosts collagen production, strengthening the very structure of your skin. We've learned about its potent antioxidant properties, which help neutralize free radicals and protect your skin from oxidative stress. We've discovered how it supports mitochondrial energy, ensuring that your cells have the fuel they need to repair and thrive. We've uncovered how it influences gene expression, activating longevity pathways that help your skin stay younger, longer. And finally, we've explored how it strengthens your skin barrier, helping it maintain hydration, resilience, and immunity. But here's the bigger picture. The story of aging is not a story of decline. It is a story of adaptation, of understanding our body's natural rhythms and giving it the resources it needs to thrive. It's about collaborating with your biology, not fighting against it. We are living in an extraordinary time where science is not just uncovering the mysteries of aging, but also providing us with actionable tools to unlock our full potential. And we can start today. What's most empowering about this is that these insights are not just theoretical, they're practical, they're actionable. Every day, we have the ability to nourish our body in ways that promote long-term vitality and resilience. Whether it's through optimizing our circadian rhythms, eating nutrient-rich foods, engaging in physical activity, or integrating specific vitamins into our routine, we have the capacity to regenerate and rejuvenate ourselves one night at a time. If you're ready to take the first step in this journey to begin empowering your body to reverse the aging process, then consider incorporating this vitamin into your wellness routine, not just as a supplement, but as part of a broader approach to healthy living that includes smart nutrition, stress management, and sleep. This is your invitation to redefine what aging can mean for you, to unlock a new chapter of vitality, resilience, and skin health. The potential for rejuvenation is in your hands. And if you found this content valuable, if you're as excited as I am about this intersection of science and human potential, I invite you to like, comment, and subscribe. By doing so, you're joining a community of curious, forward-thinking individuals who are committed to decoding the science of health and longevity. Let's embark on this journey together as we explore how to live better, age better, and thrive for longer. Until next time, take care of yourself, and remember, the best time to start is now. I look forward to seeing you in the next video as we continue our deep dive into the cutting-edge research of human optimization. Stay curious, stay empowered, and take good care of yourself.